Hello, everyone. You might think that the amazing video you just saw was produced by a professional team with a huge budget. But the truth is unbelievable. I made the entire video using a free AI tool and a simple prompt. That's right, no production barriers and no cost at all. All it takes is a prompt and this incredible tool. The best part? Even complete beginners can use it. Whether you want to make children's stories or any other kind of video, including realistic or animated styles, this tool can handle it all. And it's not just for short clips. You can use a single prompt to make videos up to 30 minutes or even longer. One thing I especially love about it: many AI tools struggle to keep characters consistent across scenes, but this one does a great job. Your story looks smooth, clean, and professional every time. This tool is not only fast, but also incredibly simple, with one-click operation. You don't need to brainstorm video ideas or spend hours editing. You've probably seen faceless YouTube channels making millions of views and raking in tons of revenue, right? Now it's your turn. Let me stress. Today's video is worth $10,000 and you don't want to miss a single step. I'll show you everything, from writing a prompt to making a full video. Simple, fast, and fun. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I'll be motivated to find and share more free AI video generators. First, check the description below and find the link to this amazing tool, Videoinu. As you can see, Videoinu has a super clean and simple interface. Before creating your video, click the Start for Free button. Then, sign up with your Google account or email. As a new user, you get 500 free credits. That's right, completely free. With these credits, you can make your first 3D video and test all the features on the platform. To target a YouTube niche, I'm going to use it to make a cartoon story video. Let's get started. On the homepage, you'll see two options: AI Video Generator and AI Character Generator. If you want your animation to have more personality and creativity, click on the AI Character Generator. Just upload your image and the tool will create a custom AI character for you. To build your character, first give it a name, fill in some basic info, and choose a style that fits your story. You can even use ChatGPT to make it look more professional. If you already have a character image, just upload it as a reference and click Generate. Your character will be ready in seconds. If you don't have any ideas for your character, you can skip this step. Videoinu will automatically generate character images that match your story later on, which is super convenient. Now, let's move on to generating the video. Click on AI Video Generator on the homepage. You'll see an interface with 4 steps to create your video. The first step is the script. If you don't have a script, just put your idea in the Smart Script box. The AI will analyze your idea and turn it into a complete story script. Before that, select your video length: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even up to 30 minutes. If you already have a script like I do, just paste it into the basic script option. Now, I also want to share a tip on how I create scripts. It's super easy to generate a perfect script with just a few simple steps. Without further ado, let me show you. I use ChatGPT to generate the story script and details. Just give ChatGPT your story idea, and it'll expand on it with detailed narratives. As you can see, ChatGPT creates a very detailed storyline. Honestly, it's like having the world's smartest brain at your fingertips. The efficiency is incredible. You'll notice that ChatGPT organizes the story by different scenes, providing you with the corresponding visuals and prompts for each one. It's super convenient. The final step is to copy this story and paste it directly into the Novi AI. Next, you need to choose the video language. There are plenty of options, like Hindi, Arabic, and more. I'll choose English for my video. Then select the video style. There are lots of styles to choose from. Since I'm making a cartoon, I'll pick a cartoon or Disney style. If you want a realistic video, you can choose realistic or epic styles. Both look super professional. There are also anime and other styles, so just pick what fits your vision. After setting everything up, click Next. Now your script will be divided into scenes and dialogues. The tool checks all your content and matches it with visuals. Here, you should review everything carefully. Make sure the script is correct. Fix anything that needs changing, or remove or adjust parts or scenes as needed. Take your time. Once you've made your adjustments, click Next. Now, you need to select the characters for your video. If you've already made characters, just add them in. If not, just click Auto Test, and the tool will create consistent character images for you. If you're not satisfied, you can adjust them yourself. It's really convenient. The next step is your storyboard. The tool will generate all the visuals, images, scenes, and everything related to your story. This step is also super important. If any visual doesn't fit your story, no problem. You can regenerate the image for free as many times as you want. So, if something doesn't look right, just use ChatGPT or keep regenerating until you're happy. Make sure the visuals match your script perfectly, because otherwise your video won't look professional. Don't rush. Make sure everything fits. Once you're happy with the visuals, it's time to add voiceover. There are lots of voice options. Just pick the one you like best. The system will automatically add animation to your images, like slides and zooms. In my opinion, the videos look good, but maybe not super professional. If you're on a budget, this is a great option. But if you want it to look even more professional, like mine or other channels, you'll need to add scene animation, which uses more credits. Click the animation button to do this. You'll see different video models with different costs. Choose the one that fits your budget and desired effect. Then click Animate All and select which scenes to animate. You can add titles, subtitles, and choose whether to add a background. Once you're done, click Generate and your final video will start rendering. Now our video is fully generated. Let's check out the result, see how fun and impressive it is. You can see how perfect the result is, right? Videoinu is a true all-in-one tool. It lets you edit text, voiceovers, and visual elements, saving me tons of time. And you know what impresses me most? Character consistency throughout the video. This is actually a big challenge. Most AI tools struggle to keep even a single character consistent. But here we used multiple characters and everything still looks smooth and natural. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.